Welcome to my YouTube channel Absolute Technologies. Today I am going to unbox the new latest Apple Pencil Pro, and this pencil have a lot of changes in it, like it's connect on Bluetooth, it's magnetically attached, pairs and charge. So it's work on the OS minimum 17.5 or later, and the compatible Apple iPads with it are iPad Pro 13 M4, iPad 11 Pro M4 and in 11 inch, and iPad Air 13 inch, it's M2, and iPad Air 11 inch M2 and iPad Mini. These are the models with which this Pencil Pro is working. The old model M1 and the other 2000 models it not work. So what is the change in it? Let me unbox it. Okay, in the box you have this manual of the pencil, and the pencil is in very nice packing like this, and you have an hover button over here as compared to Apple Pencil 2, so you can hover in the air. I can show you in my next video how it works and how we can use it with this latest model of M4. And you have hover button here, you can press it here twice and you have options, hover options, and you can easily select the option that you want. So this is the introduction of Apple Pencil Pro 2, and I show you what is in the box and I unbox it. Please like and subscribe my channel Absolute Technologies, and for the next upcoming videos, and take care. Allah Hafiz.